Hey guys, today we're diving into the top 5 dash cams that every driver should have for maximum safety and clear footage. Whether you're commuting daily, taking road trips, or driving for rideshare services, a reliable dash cam ensures your vehicle is protected and records evidence when needed. From Ultra HD 4K front cameras to triple-channel setups with advanced night vision, these dash cams combine loop recording, GPS tracking, parking monitoring, and smartphone integration. We'll explore each model in detail so you can decide which one best suits your driving style and needs. Let's check them out. Number 1. TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dash cam, front and rear. The TERUNSOUl dash cam offers Ultra HD 4K front and rear recording, capturing every detail with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle front lens. Both cameras record in 3840 by 2160p, ensuring crisp footage of the road ahead and behind. Loop recording allows continuous recording, while the G sensor automatically locks collision videos. A pre-installed 128GB memory card makes it ready to use, and it supports up to 512GB. Super Starlight Night Vision and WDR technology provide bright, detailed images even in low light. The front camera's f1.5 aperture and rear's f1.8 aperture maximize light intake for clear footage. Dual-band 5.8 GHz/2.4 GHz Wi-Fi via the TERUNSOUl app lets you instantly view, download, and share recordings. GPS tracking records live speed, direction, and routes for later review. With 24-hour parking monitoring, this dash cam protects your vehicle even when parked. Installation is simple, and it comes with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support. Number 2. E-YEEGER dash cam front and rear. The S60 dash cam features a 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera with ultra-wide-angle coverage. Its Starlight night vision sensor and 170-degree lens deliver clear footage in challenging light. Loop recording ensures continuous capture, and the G sensor locks emergency footage during collisions. A 2-inch IPS display provides a clear, user-friendly interface. Its 360-degree adjustable suction cup allows flexible positioning. Minimalist in design, it won't block your view while driving. The dash cam comes with a 1-year free warranty and lifetime technical support. With 24-hour parking monitoring, hardwire kit required, the S60 ensures constant protection for your vehicle. Number 3. virrow dash cam, front and rear. The virrow dual dash cam records 4K front and 2.5K rear videos with a 170-degree front lens and 165-degree rear lens, minimizing blind spots. Its 3.39-inch touchscreen allows easy playback and setup. The G sensor detects collisions and locks emergency videos automatically. Night vision is enhanced with the SC2336 sensor, f1.8 aperture, and a 6-layer lens system for clear, low-light footage. Loop recording keeps continuous capture, and it includes a 64GB memory card for instant use. 24/7 parking mode with time-lapse protects your car while parked. Hardwire kit required. virrow provides an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support for peace of mind. Number 4. SUVCON dash cam front and rear. The SUVCON triple dash cam provides 3-channel coverage, 170 degrees front, 150 degrees cabin, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera. Its IPS screen ensures clear viewing from any angle. The G sensor and parking monitor automatically lock videos when collisions or sudden movements are detected. Loop recording automatically overwrites older footage. A 32GB SD card comes pre-installed. Superior WDR and HDR technology, along with infrared LED lights, ensure clear night vision. Installation is simple. Just mount the dash cam on the windshield. The intuitive display and key settings make it easy to use, delivering complete coverage for maximum security. Number 5, FAIMEE dash cam, front and rear. The FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam captures 4K front, 2K interior, and 2K rear videos. Wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear, minimize blind spots. With f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, it delivers crisp, clear footage even in low light conditions. A 128GB high-endurance memory card is included. The dashcam supports G-sensor collision lock, loop recording, and 24/7 parking mode, hardwire kit required. Built-in GPS logs, speed, route history, and location coordinates. Dual-band Wi-Fi allows live view, playback, and sharing via the FAIMEE app. Backed by a 12-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, it provides reliable protection for rideshare drivers and everyday drivers alike. There you have it, the top 5 dashcams designed for ultimate protection and clarity. For the best 4K dual coverage, TERUNSOUl is a top pick. For compact, reliable performance, E-YEEGER and virrow are great options. SUVCON and FAIMEE provide triple channel coverage for those who want maximum visibility and safety. Which dashcam fits your car and lifestyle best? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Stay safe on the road and keep your journey protected with these amazing dashcams.